What's up guys, my name is Shrutika and welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do cosmetics and wo sab less than 100 rupees. Nowadays there is a sale going on in Nykaa. So isliye we are going to do some shopping. I did some shopping and I'm going to show you now. So this will be a kind of Nykaa haul and मैंने वो सारे makeup जो मैंने लिया है वो already use किया है मेरे पे. So I'm going to show you something which is not something, there are many things which is less than 100 rupees. So you guys follow me. I bought, this is Swiss Beauty Remover. You know, actually daily routine is so difficult, right? To remove nail polish and इसके लिए हमें बहुत सारी चीजें required होती है. Cotton, then nail polish remover. So best, I bought this. This is Swiss Remover nail polish and I'll just show you. I hope this is visible, right? This is Swiss Beauty nail polish remover. I'll show you how it use it. Okay, so I have already removed all this nail polish. You can see this nail polish is there in my thumb. Okay, so up I'm gonna dip this in my nail polish remover. जादू तो ये निकल गया है अच्छे से, ठीक है. And this is what it's already removed and this is very easy, time using, handy. हम हमारे पॉकेट में, हमारे पर्स में जो फीमेल्स पर्स कैरी करते हैं उन्हें इसमें हम रख सकते हैं. You won't believe this cost me only 79 rupees. Okay, only 79 rupees, correct? And this is wonderful, so you can carry it in your pocket, in your wallet. The next product, that is L18. Okay, this is a liner. I hope this is visible. This is L18. Okay, and this is a liner. Okay, this is a very dark liner. I'll show you. This brush is very small. I bought the small brush because I love to do wings. If you see here, मुझे wings बनाना actually बहुत अच्छा लगता है. And I'll show you. See, this is so much dark. This is, as I mentioned, this is L18 and this cost me only 85 rupees. So now I'm going to show you a kajal, क्योंकि eyeliner है तो काजल तो बनता ही है, right? तो इसलिए I'm going to show you the kajal one, and this is, I bought it from VLCC. Okay, so this is a super wonderful kajal. This is actually a dark tone, a very dark color. Okay, matte dark color. I'll just show you this. ये काफी quick है, handy है, and as I mentioned, this is pocket friendly. Okay, you can use in your wallet and this is very wonderful. I'll just show you. So this is the kajal. Okay, and this is matte color. So अगर आप matte use करते हो, आपको अच्छा लगता है तो काजल ये काफी convenient है. So this kajal, VLCC kajal, cost me only 45 rupees. Can you believe this? Pocket handy, 45 rupees. You can see this is pencil, eyebrow pencil. Actually, many friends of mine suggest me to go for brown color. Earlier, I used to do black color for my eyebrows. Okay, and वो काफी eye catching हो जाता था और लोगों को समझ में आता था कि like I applied it. But then my friends suggest me to go for this brown color. ये काफी dark color है. दिख रहा है? So now makeup तो हो गए, right? अभी nail polish. I'm gonna show you the nail polish. This is a very simple, elegant color from Swiss Beauty. Okay. This is very beautiful because देखिए, if you're going to work, right, and every now and then you feel, right, that you want to go for some nice color because dark color offices में थोड़े अच्छा नहीं लगते, तो always use this color and you won't believe this cost me only 79 rupees. Okay, so आपके पास nail polish भी है and nail polish remover भी है, so you can use both the things. And again, this is a pocket handy and this is very nice. This is very different color. I'll just show you now. This is very simple और अभी सिर्फ ये एक शेड है इसीलिए I'm not using much thing. Okay, अगर आपको ज़्यादा डार्क पसंद है तो you can apply it like twice, thrice. Okay, and this is very beautiful. Just 79, worth it. to show you a lipstick, a Miss Claire lipstick. I hope this is visible. और यहाँ पे इस लिपस्टिक में the benefit is that this is again a office friendly lipstick. मतलब ऑफिस में अगर आप जा रहे हो राइट, तो इसमें बेनिफिट ये है कि यू जस्ट हैव अ वन कोट एंड दैट्स इट. ओके, आई जस्ट शो यू. दिस इज द ट्रू फ्रेंडली कलर राइट, एंड अगेन दिस इज जस्ट 88 rupees, right? 88 rupees. Okay, and this is again Miss Claire, and again as I mentioned, this is just 88 rupees, and voila, you can show your lips. Mwah. This is the one which I already applied, and you can see it's look very beautiful. Voila. I'm gonna show you this. This is ये है Blue Heaven का. It's a makeup kit concealer, and it's very similar to lipstick. Alright, just remove it, roll it from here, and you can apply it. Just dab and apply it. Okay, और ये एक्चुअली क्यों पता है, ये क्या राज है इसका? ये है ना मिस्टर इंडिया है. मिस्टर इंडिया जैसे हमारे पोज होते हैं, जो खड्डे होते हैं, ये सारे दिखाई देते राइट, और लड़कियां देखो मेकअप करने के बाद काफी ब्यूटीफुल हो जाती है. तो ये है हमारा मिस्टर इंडिया, खुले हुए राज छुपा देता है. So this is the kit, and this is the last one. This is good for my skin tone, मेरे राज छुपाने के लिए. I'll show you. और इसका नंबर कितना है? Okay, pink glow. If you think that you are my skin tone, you can use it. And this is pink glow 06. I hope you like this. अगर आपको अच्छा लगे तो you can buy this. I have applied on my hand to darker side है, and now it's looking fair. So you can use it on your face as well. As I mentioned, ये Mr. India है जो हमारे सारे दाग हटा देता है. So this is like very cheap. This is just 76 rupees. और 76 में Mr. India का गैजेट बुरा बात नहीं है. This makes you more beautiful and fair. अभी मैंने आपको दिखाया है 7 things. Okay, that is everything less than 100 rupees, and all this thing I bought it from Nykaa, and this is not sponsored at all. Okay, and this is I'm just doing because I already use this product, and for you guys, for you are my subscriber, my family members, so I just want that you should get some good product and good things to use it. So if you like it, just go ahead, like it, subscribe it, and comment it. Thank you. Lots of love.